The future of ethical hacking in 2025. By 2025, expect AI to be deeply integrated into ethical hacking. AI-powered tools will detect vulnerabilities and predict attacks with unprecedented accuracy. This will significantly enhance proactive security measures. Automation will be key. AI-driven tools will streamline vulnerability scanning, penetration testing, and incident response, freeing up human experts for complex tasks. AI-powered threat intelligence will provide real-time analysis. This enables proactive defense strategies against increasingly sophisticated cyber threats. Quantum computing is on the horizon. Its potential for both enhancing ethical hacking capabilities and bolstering cybersecurity defenses is immense. Blockchain security is gaining traction. We'll see wider adoption of blockchain technology to secure digital systems and prevent cyberattacks. The metaverse presents new challenges. Ethical hackers must adapt to address the emerging cybersecurity risks and opportunities within these virtual worlds. Advanced threat modeling will be essential. Expect the use of sophisticated tools and methodologies for predicting potential attack vectors and vulnerabilities. Red teaming and purple teaming will evolve. These practices will play a crucial role in assessing and mitigating cybersecurity risks in complex environments. Continuous learning is paramount. Ethical hackers must commit to ongoing education and adaptation to stay ahead of evolving cyber threats.